And you have no permission to film. So turn that someone the other way. You have no permission to film.
I don't need it.
I'm a private citizen. I have privacy rights. My privacy rights are better than yours. You are not allowed to film in a public location without an authorization of the official.
Okay, what about these cameras in here?
I don't know. I have a right to not be filmed by human beings who will not identify themselves. I'm going to film you, and I'm going to film you all the way outside and film your tag number.
Awesome.
And then I'm going to look up your tag number, and I'm going to go to your house.
Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is News Now Ninja, and today's video comes to you from DeKalb County, Georgia, where Georgia Transparency had an interaction with this judge, Shannon McNeil. And I must say, it's truly disturbing that this person is considered a judge after hearing some of the lack of understanding of law that she spews out. And it doesn't stop there, it gets much worse. Because Shannon McNeil also works for the law firm supposedly representing the everyday person. And stick around to the end because we've got a little bit of an update since this video came out. All original links will be in the description. Shout out for Georgia Transparency bringing this to the public's attention. And let's get straight to the action.
And you have no permission to film. So turn that someone the other way. You have no permission to film.
I don't need it.
I'm a private citizen. I have privacy rights. My privacy rights are better than yours. You need to stop filming.
My privacy best.
Now serving W, 171 at Station 8. Now serving W, 172 at Station 12.
My name is Deputy Clemente.
And what's your
Now serving W, 173 at Station 10.
No, she wants me to step outside.
which is I don't need her permission, right? But this is a fun.
Now serving W,
Alright, I know some-
171 at
I
Station
don't know what the
8.
issue is, but she wants you to step
I
outside.
don't need to. I haven't broken a law, man. I'm actually.
Okay, I'm not sure what the situation was before I stepped over, but she asked me to step outside.
As soon as I'm done. As soon as I'm done, ma'am, I'll be right back. Can I speak
Clemente
to
George,
Can I speak to a supervisor?
she works,
You're the DeKalb County Sheriff's Office.
okay, he's not here. Okay, Miss Bolden asked for some people that are here filming.
She didn't ask me to step out.
I know.
She didn't ask me to step out.
Okay. Okay, then can you step forward, please?
It's a constitutional.
No, I understand that.
Deputy Clemente?
I don't know, like I said, I don't know what happened before I came over.
I haven't broken the law.
I don't know what happened before I
These right
came
here, I've
over.
got two cameras.
No, I understand that.
So that proves it.
I don't know what happened before you stepped, before I came over.
It's called confrontation.
I know.
Open. So
I
as soon as I'm
understand.
done with my business, I will. Okay. Thank you.
Deputy Clemente?
10-4, so what's it?
Deputy Clemente, did I say it right?
Is this
don't-
restricted back there?
Is what restricted?
That door that says employees only?
Yes.
Okay, I won't go back there.
Deputy Clemente,
Yes, sir.
don't follow what she tells you to do and get DeKalb County Sheriff's Office sued. Please don't do that.
What I said is, I don't know what happened before I came over, so I
Then,
don't know.
well, then you should investigate and make the right
Okay,
determination.
Once she tells me that she wants someone to exit,
She doesn't have
I'm
that.
based on whatever she's telling me.
What OCGA did I break to be removed from this
I don't
public
know what
space?
happened.
I'm telling
I don't
you
know
right
what
Yeah, I know.
happened before I came over. That's what I'm telling you. She came over and asked me to
There's actually your line's open up now.
They're
We're
fine.
just going to finish our business and then we'll politely leave. Yeah.
Okay, I don't know where the signs
Now
are.
serving W,
If you stop
174
filming till we
at
talk to
Station
the
10.
Chief Deputy Tax
I'm
Commissioner.
going to continue to exercise my rights like I'm allowed to as per the Constitution, and you go back to doing
Okay.
your job, and then I'll finish my business.
Who are you?
Yeah.
Huh?
Who are
That
you?
doesn't matter. Who are you?
JC.
Have a good day, sir.
Who are you?
Have a good day, sir.
Now serving W, 150.
Go ahead. I'm going to say
So
right here.
If someone's not following lawful commands, that's obstruction.
Lawful commands, ma'am.
And it's a lawful command.
No, it's not. You're a public official, too. You should know.
I know what obstruction is.
I do, too.
Come on over to criminal division, we can talk.
Where's it at?
Right across here on Camp Circle. Criminal
Camp
division.
Circle? Is it a public lobby in there?
Sure, come on over.
It's a public lobby?
Yeah, and it's a courthouse.
You're straight garbage. You are garbage.
Pardon me?
You're garbage.
You're calling me garbage?
Yes.
Why are you calling me garbage, sir?
Because you're horrible.
Why am I horrible, sir?
You're just
What's
horrible.
your name, sir?
I don't give my name out.
You don't give your name out?
No.
But you call people garbage?
Ma'am, you're a public official. You should be upholding this stuff.
Upholding what?
Your oath
What is my oath?
to support the U.S. Constitution.
I support the Constitution
Then-
more than you can even imagine.
That I'm allowed to film in here freely without bothering anybody.
You are not allowed to film in a public location without an authorization of the official.
Ma'am, you're horrible.
Big mistake.
I don't think so, because we have to go around and walk around with you, and we don't have proper authority.
You are such a
We
horrible
don't have enough
person.
security for you. Hello, how can I help you?
You need security for a camera?
Yes. Yes.
Remember your oath. Constitution protected activity.
Uh-huh.
You know what now? This is the one thing Constitution protected activity will strictly qualify.
I understand. I don't know
Trying to keep you safe. Right.
Shannon McNeil.
So if you have an issue,
I will. Then you do this. Go back and do your thing. If you're trespassing,
Bye.
that would be under because
I just don't understand why you think I'm garbage.
You got a job to go do, don't you?
Well, maybe you do.
I don't understand.
So is this your job, to come and harass citizens
I haven't
trying to
harassed
get
you.
up at services?
I haven't harassed you, man. You started yelling at me. You started yelling at me.
I have never yelled at you.
And you told us we're not allowed to film you, that your rights are better than ours. You said that sitting there. How is your
I
rights
have a
better than
right to
mine?
not be filmed.
But how is your
Because I
rights
don't know what you're
better?
going to do with this film.
How are your rights better than mine, though?
I'm not going to tell you. Because you believe your rights are better than mine.
No, I
Because
don't.
you
I
have-
never said that.
Okay, so I can stand here and just walk around after you for the rest of the day filming you?
Sure.
And that's okay?
Sure. Yeah, go ahead. Knock yourself out.
Okay.
Follow me around and film me.
Okay.
I really don't care. Take all my pictures and
trespass on
So, you called me a despicable human. You called me human garbage?
I called you garbage, ma'am.
You called me human garbage?
Yes, ma'am.
You called me human garbage?
I called you garbage. You're a horrible
You
person.
called me, you said I was a horrible person, but I
Yes.
don't understand the basis for that.
You work for the taxpayers.
How do you know who I work for?
You just said you got a magistrate court on. You said you work in the criminal court across the street. You told me to come over there and film in y'all's public lobby, which I may just come over there and do that. And there's nothing you can do. You work for the people, ma'am. You work for all these people here. You receive taxpayer money. The people pay you to do a job. Your rights are not better than my rights, ma'am.
I have a right to not be filmed.
Okay, what about these cameras in here?
I have a right to not be filmed by human beings who will not identify themselves or explain why they are filming
I don't have
me as I'm walking around in my everyday life.
I don't have to. I wasn't here for you, ma'am. You made a scene over there by making a statement.
Tell them that we have
No one said anything to you. You straight up told her that we don't have a right to film in here. Nobody said nothing to you, ma'am. You engaged with me first, or with us first.
So our sheriff's office are post-certified law enforcement.
Good for them.
And when they give you a lawful order, which is to leave the premises because you have no business here, and you don't do that.
Are you a
that is-
deputy?
That is called obstruction.
Are you a certified law enforcement
I
officer?
am not.
Okay. She is.
She is.
And
So
she
if she
hasn't told us
instructs
that.
you to leave this premises,
she doesn't have that right.
then she has the
This
right
isn't.
to do that.
This isn't private property, ma'am.
This is still public property, but you don't have the right to just come in because you want
Are
to.
you?
This is still public property, but you don't have the right to just come in because you want to.
Are you a clerk? Or like, what are you?
If you are inhibiting the business of the office
How? How
by
did I do that?
engaging in customers, interfering with
You
customers,
engaged with me first, though.
you have engaged with me as a customer,
How?
called me names.
How?
You said I was a despicable human being, and I find that offensive. You have
Okay.
offended me as a customer of this office.
Okay. Well, that's
So
my
you
criticism
then
to my
are
government.
causing a disturbance in this office.
Okay, that's my criticism to my
And so
government.
that's the basis for you to be asked to leave.
But you engaged with us first.
It doesn't really matter who engages
Oh, it doesn't.
who. If there
It do-
is a public disturbance, and you're involved in a public disturbance, and then you're asked to leave and you refuse to, Then it's obstruction if you fail to follow the lawful order of a deputy to leave the premises.
So it's not obstruction for you when you engage with us first?
No, we're private citizens. I can fuss with you all I want to.
Of course you can.
And if that is
But you're
somehow
wearing a
impedes the
magistrate court of
business of the
DeKalb
tag
County.
office, we both can be thrown out.
You're wearing a magistrate court of DeKalb County?
Is this magistrate court?
I don't know.
Is it?
You say criminal court. You work over there in criminal court.
I don't work here.
So?
What does that mean?
So?
I don't work in this building.
you're
I'm a
allowed-
customer. See my customer?
You're
I'm
allowed
a
to-
customer.
you're allowed to
I just
film.
went to the tag office.
You're allowed to film me just as much as I'm allowed to film you.
But we're not allowed to fuss and carry on and disturb this office.
I didn't disturb it, ma'am. You engaged with us first.
But you're not stopping engaging with me.
Ma'am,
You're
I'm redressing my
continuing to fuss
government.
with me.
You
You're
identified
continuing to
yourself
call
as a
me human
government.
garbage.
You identified
You're not
yourself.
walking away from me.
You identified
You
yourself
just
as a
keep
human.
standing here filming me and offending me.
So I have to walk away. You don't get to walk away?
You can walk away.
So can you.
So if you choose to continue to be obstructive with me, then we're causing a disturbance. And when people cause a disturbance in a public place, they can be ordered to leave by the by the security. And if security orders us to leave and we don't, we can be arrested for obstruction.
Then arrest me for obstruction.
They will if they come over here and order you to leave and you don't.
You can go, ma'am. You're good. You can
No,
go.
I'm not leaving because if you're going to film me, I'm going to film you. And I'm going to film you all the way outside and film your tag number.
Awesome.
And then I'm going to look up your tag number and I'm going to go to your house and I'm going to camp right outside your house. And I'm going to
Oh, so you're going to use an official government system to find out who I am?
No, I don't have to do that.
You just said
It's the
you're
age
gonna-
of the internet.
You just said you're
can
gonna
look
run
up
my
people's
tag.
tag numbers.
You said you're going to run my tag.
I didn't say I was going to run your tag. I said I was going to look up your tag number.
Well, feel free to come to my house and camp on the public easement, but you can't come in my yard.
Are you
The
sure?
yard, yeah, the yard's private. It's private property. The yard is.
The yard's private property?
Yeah.
What about that 10 feet where the government has an easement?
This lady's an idiot.
So I'm an idiot.
This lady's an idiot.
Officer, they're calling me human garbage and an idiot. Can you please ask these people to leave? You're causing a disturbance. You're filming me and you have no right to film me. So if you're going to film me, I'm going to film you. So you're Karen Magnet?
She doesn't get it. She's causing a disturbance, ma'am.
Court upholds restriction on video recording in government buildings.
I see what you're saying.
So holds a decision Friday by Judge
Yeah,
Sheen.
see the Smith fee coming right here? That actually gives me the permission. That's actually the case law that
Okay.
gives me
Oh,
permission.
yeah, we're
It says
good.
court upholds restriction
That
on
says it
video.
has held in case Smith fee.
Right, but that's not the whole
I know.
thing. That's not the
Look.
totality of the whole thing.
However, they're creating a disturbance with me, and all you have to do is order all of us to leave, and if we don't, we can all be arrested for obstruction.
She's screaming at this point.
I'm not
You
screaming.
was just a second ago.
I have never screamed today, but you have called me human garbage. In a public place, you have called me human garbage.
Okay, so now everybody's disturbed now.
I'm not saying anything.
Can I say anything right now? But right now, I just need everybody to leave.
Am I being trespassed?
No, I'm asking everybody else. I don't trespass on this.
Now serving W, 181, Escalation. Now serving W, 181, Station 14.
We're leaving the building because we created a disturbance.
You have.
No.
Now
Y'all
serving
called me
W,
human garbage.
181,
And you refuse to
Station
stop filming.
You are human.
They're calling me human garbage, man.
Ma'am, I'm peacefully existing in a
Now
public
serving
space.
W,
Would like to be left alone.
183.
Y'all won the election. What else do you want? You want to shut up? You want to, well, I mean, what does it mean? Bonafide, unsuspicious, trust me,
Oh, wait.
Karen Magnet, a big cross, and you're saying that you're not here because of the election yesterday? You're going around trying to find something wrong with the government offices because you're anti-government? You call us... You must be anti-government to come and behave like this and disrupt the public place. And calling me human garbage.
Well, actually, I just agreed with him. I didn't actually call for that, so.
No, I believe it's right here. You said you are human garbage.
I know, I said, no, ma'am.
You are.
No, ma'am.
I
Ma'am.
am.
You're acting like
Miss Shannon, I said, no, Miss Shannon. I said, you're garbage. I didn't say human garbage. I
No,
said
no,
garbage.
it's on your recording.
Okay.
And you know, when we get to the jail and they take it, we'll be able to see what's on the
Okay.
recording.
But you don't have to. I'll actually publish it, so you'll be able to watch it.
Okay. All right.
And save it. What else can I do?
Whatever. I can't wait to go outside and see what car y'all are in. Probably that
Oh, hey,
Corvette.
hey.
Is that
She
Corvette
said
over
she's
there?
gonna come. She said,
Yeah, I'm gonna
she
find out who
said,
y'all are. I'm gonna go to your house. I'm gonna picnic on the street in front of your
she
house.
said she's gonna take a picture of our tags
invite
and run it through this the system and
Right.
find out. So she's gonna abuse a government system to find out where we
There's
are.
no such government system.
Alright, so at this point, Shannon McNeil has fully displayed her 27 years of experience. And after this video came out, the DeKalb judge was placed under an ethics investigation, describing the interaction that was posted on Georgia Transparency's channel. And McNeil is now being investigated by the county's chief magistrate judge and the Georgia Judicial Qualifications Commission. And to see the entirety of this video, which you do not want to miss, get to the link in the description and let GT know that News Now Ninja sent you, and I'll see you on the next one.